Good afternoon, students. We will see about the unit number 3, that is feedback amplifier. Feedback amplifier के बारे में देखेंगे हम. So what do you mean by feedback amplifier? ठीक है. So this is the amplifier without feedback. Amplifier without feedback. This is the block diagram of amplifier without feedback. Here we are applying the input. यहाँ पर क्या कर रहे हैं? Input apply कर रहे हैं. This is the voltage gain and this is the output. This is the output. तो feedback क्या होता है? What do you mean by feedback? When this is your Vi is the input and this V0 is the output. So some part of this output, some part of this output some part of this output is fed to the input is nothing but the feedback. Is nothing but the feedback. इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? Feedback amplifier. इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? Feedback amplifier. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? Feedback. ठीक है? जो आउटपुट का थोड़ा सा पार्ट, आउटपुट से जो थोड़ा सा पार्ट हम कहाँ देंगे? इनपुट को. Is nothing but the feedback. Okay. Next, the types of feedback. इसमें feedback समझ में है? Some part of this output is given to the input is nothing but the feedback. इसमें types. Which are the types of feedback? So types of feedbacks are negative feedback and positive feedback. Types of feedback. Types of feedback. So कितने टाइप्स है इसके? नेगेटिव फीडबैक एंड पॉजिटिव फीडबैक. Positive feedback, negative feedback and positive feedback. These are the types of this feedback. So what happens in positive feedback and in negative feedback? In negative feedback, the overall gain AVF becomes smaller than AV. Smaller than AV. Okay. इसमें क्या होता है? जो गेन जो होता है, the overall gain AVF becomes smaller than AV. The feedback is then referred to as negative feedback. And this happens when beta and AV have opposite sign, so that the product beta AV becomes negative. In this feedback, signal and input signal are out of phase, that is 180 degree in negative feedback. And in what happens in positive feedback, in the phase of voltage feedback is such as to increase the input, then beta is positive, that is if the product beta is positive, then the overall gain AVF becomes larger than AV. Larger than AV. This will happen only in beta and AV beta are of the same sign. Okay. So feedback signal and input signal are in phase in positive feedback, and it may be 0 or 360 degree phase difference. ओके. समझ में है? नेगेटिव फीडबैक और पॉजिटिव फीडबैक में क्या हो रहा है? एवी जो है, एवी एवी क्या होता है? स्मॉलर होता है इन नेगेटिव फीडबैक. इन नेगेटिव फीडबैक एंड in positive feedback it is greater. In positive feedback it is greater. In negative feedback the phase shift is of 180 degree. In positive feedback it is 0 डिग्री और फेज शिफ्ट की 0 डिग्री और 360 डिग्री। सो हम वेरियस पॉइंट्स के ऊपर इसका कंपैरिजन देखेंगे, इसका नेगेटिव फीडबैक एंड पॉजिटिव फीडबैक, नेगेटिव फीडबैक एंड पॉजिटिव फीडबैक को कंपेयर करेंगे। सो वो कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स देखते हैं, कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स हैं देखते हैं। फर्स्ट वन इज ओवरऑल फेज शिफ्ट, overall phase shift, overall phase shift, then input voltage, input voltage, then output voltage, output voltage, then stability, stability, then noise and application, noise and application. These are the 7 points on which we can differentiate this. These are the 7 points on which we can differentiate this negative feedback and positive feedback. तो क्या होता है, ओवरऑल फेज शिफ्ट इन नेगेटिव फीडबैक इट इज 180 डिग्री एंड इन पॉजिटिव फीडबैक इट इज 0 और 360 डिग्री, 0 और 360 डिग्री. Okay, then in negative feedback input voltage decreases, in positive feedback input voltage increases. Okay, next topic, next point, output voltage, that is आउटपुट वोल्टेज क्या होता है, पॉजिटिव फीडबैक में इंक्रीज होता है, इसमें क्या होता है डिक्रीज होता है, इसमें क्या होता है डिक्रीज होता है. ठीक है, देन स्टेबिलिटी, स्टेबिलिटी, the stability in positive feedback is poor and stability in negative feedback is better, then noise, that is in positive feedback noise increases, noise increases, and it is in negative feedback noise is decreases, noise is decreases. Then applications, so this applications क्या है इसकी, positive feedback it's used in oscillator, positive feedbacks are used in oscillator and negative feedbacks are used in amplifiers. And negative feedbacks are used in amplifiers, are used in amplifiers. Okay, this is the comparison between the positive and negative feedback. Then some advantages of negative feedback. Okay, as our subject totally means we are related with applied electronics and we have to study more about the amplifiers. We will more study about this negative feedback. So next topic is which are the functions of this, advantages of this negative feedback. नेगेटिव फीडबैक के क्या एडवांटेजेस है वो देखेंगे. ठीक है. So first is higher fidelity. Higher fidelity. Higher fidelity. Then highly stabilized gain. Highly stabilized gain. Highly stabilized gain. These are the several advantages. Next one is advantages. Then increased bandwidth. Increased bandwidth. Then less amplitude distortion. Less amplitude distortion. Less amplitude distortion. Then less harmonic distortion. Less harmonic distortion. Less frequency distortion. Less frequency distortions. Reduced noise. Reduced noise. These are the some advantages of this negative feedback. Okay. First one is higher fidelity, highly stabilized gain. गेन जो है इसमें हाईली स्टेबल है. इंक्रीज्ड बैंडविड्थ. बैंडविड्थ क्या होती है? इंक्रीज होती है. देन लेस एम्पलीट्यूड डिस्टॉर्शन, लेस हार्मोनिक डिस्टॉर्शन, लेस फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्टॉर्शन. एंड इसमें क्या होता है? नेगेटिव फीडबैक में नॉइस रिड्यूस होता है. नॉइस रिड्यूस्ड होता है. These are the advantages of this negative amplifier. Okay.